Hey guys, it's Mella. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Hermela Moses. I make a lifestyle vlog, hair, and other entertaining videos. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my hair and makeup, so just keep watching and make sure you're subscribed. Okay, now onto the makeup. I usually just do like a basic beat everyday type of look. I tried to do the beat face. I don't think I could ever achieve that, so I'm just stuck with this makeup routine, to be honest. So this is what I do every day when I'm going out. So I use the Kiss Pro Touch liquid foundation to outline my brows and also outline my concealer. You'll see what I'm talking about later on. But yeah, this is just the basic concealing part of my brows. Next, I use the Makeup Forever Matte Skin Concealer in the shade 24H. I just basically put it under my eyes to give me more of the bright under eye look, basically. And yeah, just put it there. And then this is what I'm talking about when I said outline my foundation. I just put the other shade of foundation right underneath the concealer, so when I blend it, it looks very blended in. Next, I use Revlon's foundation in the shade 440. It's a darker foundation, so I just put it everywhere around my face and just blend it in with a brush. After using the brush, I use a blender to kind of make it look matte and like make sure everything is like blended out. Okay, and then I use the Maybelline Fit Me Powder under my eye and also around my face to, you know, accentuate, I guess, my facial structure, and also in my forehead because I kind of like the little like highlighted forehead type of look, I guess. I don't know, but I just put it up on my forehead and then I just go ahead and blend that in. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.